Welcome to Alex Skill. Glowing Star. Today, we're exploring massive wood transport trucks and heavy-duty machinery in the forest. Watch these giants in action and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. When you need a wood chipper that works like a weightlifting champion, the Bandit Industries Model 250 XP is the perfect choice. This isn't your everyday wood chipper you find in small gardens. It's an industrial beast, a machine born to devour massive logs as if they were giant pizzas. The Bandit 250 XP stands out with its ability to handle logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter, making you feel like you're participating in the Olympic wood throwing competition. With its powerful engine and sharp blades, this machine can turn those huge logs into small chips in no time. Its processing speed is so fast that it feels like watching a showdown between speed and strength, and this machine always wins. A big plus for the Bandit 250 XP is its time-saving feature. With its smart design and efficient conveyor system, you can easily feed logs into the machine without too much hassle. It operates like an industrial paper shredder, but instead of handling documents, it handles logs that are bigger than you'd think could be chipped. Imagine standing next to this wood chipper, watching massive logs get swallowed and turned into tiny fragments. It's like a magical machine from an industrial fairy tale, and if you've never seen something so impressive, you'll definitely be amazed. Safety features are also a key aspect. The Bandit 250 XP comes equipped with advanced protection systems to ensure workers are safe while operating it. However, don't forget that when working with such a large machine, you still need to follow basic safety rules to keep everything under control. In summary, if you're looking for a wood chipper that can handle giant logs like an industrial superhero, the Bandit Industries Model 250 XP is the best choice. True to its name, this machine will make wood chipping faster and easier than ever. The Vermeer BC 1000 XL isn't the kind of wood chipper you'd find in an amusement park, but it's definitely a star in the wood industry. With its compact yet powerful design, this machine delivers a shock to anyone who thinks chipping wood is a simple task. The standout feature of the Vermeer BC 1000 XL is its ability to handle logs up to 25 centimeters in diameter. This size is perfect for most residential and small-scale construction jobs. With its powerful engine and efficient conveyor system, you can easily feed logs into the chipper and get them shredded quickly. Say goodbye to chopping wood with an axe. With the Vermeer BC 1000 XL, you won't have to worry about backaches or sore arms anymore. Another great feature is its fuel efficiency. The Vermeer BC 1000 XL not only operates effectively but also saves fuel, which is important as energy costs rise. The machine is designed to work steadily and durably while being easy to maintain, saving you both time and money. If you're looking for a wood chipper that can operate efficiently in tight spaces, the Vermeer BC 1000 XL is the ideal choice. It's powerful and compact, making it suitable for areas with limited space. This makes it a great option for construction companies and families needing regular wood chipping. With the Vermeer BC 1000 XL, you can rest assured that every wood chipping task will be completed quickly and efficiently. While it might not chip an entire forest in a day, it will make your job a lot easier. And remember, no matter how powerful your chipper is, you still need to follow safety rules when operating it. The Morbark 30 of 36-hole tree drum chipper is not your ordinary wood chipper, it's like a monster in the world of machinery. It's the top choice for those who need to handle wood on a large scale, and it can deal with massive logs as if they were tiny pieces of wood. Designed to handle logs up to 90 centimeters in diameter, the Morbark 30 of 36 isn't a chipper you'll find in a park or backyard. It's a serious industrial machine built to tackle the biggest challenges in the wood industry. With its powerful engine and high-quality blades, this machine processes wood quickly and efficiently. The Morbark 30 of 36 excels in speed and consistency. You'll see this machine working like a magical device, turning large logs into tiny chips at lightning speed. This not only saves time but also enhances productivity, especially in large construction projects or wood harvesting areas. Despite its size and power, the Woodbark 30 of 36 is designed for ease of use and operation. It comes with full safety features to ensure that workers can operate it safely. While it might not be the best choice for smaller jobs, if you need to handle large volumes of wood, this is the tool you need. If you've ever dreamed of a machine that can process an entire forest in a single day, the Woodbark 30 of 36 will make that dream a reality. It's a powerful and reliable machine that will help you complete tasks quickly and effectively. The Gens HEM 583Z is a powerful wood chipper designed to perform efficiently under challenging conditions. While it might not be as large as some other wood chippers, don't let its compact size fool you. The Gens HEM 583Z packs a punch with its impressive power and performance. Capable of handling logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter, the Gens HEM 583Z is perfect for medium to small-scale wood chipping tasks. It's equipped with a powerful engine and high-quality blades, making it efficient and effective. This makes it a useful tool for construction companies and agricultural areas. One of the strengths of the Gens HEM 583Z is its mobility. The machine is designed to move easily between different work sites, saving you time and effort. You can easily maneuver it to chip wood in hard-to-reach areas or confined spaces, like a Special Forces operative on strategic missions. Additionally, the Gens HEM 583Z is highly energy efficient. It operates effectively without consuming too much fuel, helping you reduce operational costs and protect the environment. You'll appreciate knowing that you're using an eco-friendly product while still achieving high performance. Safety is another key aspect of the Gens HEM 583Z. It's equipped with protective features to ensure that operators can work safely. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, this machine's design makes it easy to handle and operate, similar to driving a new car. In summary, the Gens HEM 583Z is a powerful, efficient, and reliable wood chipper, ideal for medium and small-scale tasks. It combines power with mobility, energy efficiency, and safety, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and effective wood chipper. The Woodmax WM8H is a beloved wood chipper among beginners and small businesses. With its compact design and high performance, it's the ideal choice for those who need a reliable wood chipper without investing in a large industrial machine. This chipper can handle logs up to 20 centimeters in diameter, making it suitable for most small to medium wood chipping jobs. The Woodmax WM8H operates like a small-scale wood chipping expert, turning logs into manageable chips in just minutes. If you've ever thought about getting a wood chipper but didn't want to hire a crew to operate it, the Woodmax WM8H is the perfect solution. One of the biggest advantages of the Woodmax WM8H is its ease of use and maintenance. It's designed to be easily assembled and operated, even if you don't have much experience. The machine's parts are also easy to replace and maintain, helping you keep it running smoothly without constant technician visits. You'll feel like you're operating a multi-purpose tool in your garage, with everything running smoothly. The Woodmax WM8H is also highly fuel efficient. It performs well without consuming excessive fuel, helping you save on operational costs while being environmentally friendly. You'll be pleased to know you're using a product that's both efficient and eco-conscious. With the Woodmax WM8H, you don't need to be a wood chipping expert to handle logs easily and quickly. This machine combines power with ease of use, energy efficiency, and effectiveness, making it perfect for your wood chipping needs. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient wood chipper for your tasks, the Woodmax WM8H will not disappoint.